In this video, I will share with you 11 websites to make $30 per hour free PayPal cash. And before you are going to dive into these 11 websites, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more online earning methods. Okay, so now we are simply going to dive into the 11 websites. So the first website that I want to share with you is usercrowd.com. Basically, what you need to do, you are going to come on this website, you are going to become a tester, and thereafter they are going to give you some kind of task. For example, you are going to go on an e-commerce website. Okay, they are going to give you the link. Okay, thereafter you just need to do some process. For example, they are going to tell you that just go to that checkout page. Okay, so they just want to know whether the checkout button is working properly, whether the add to cart button is working properly. So those are the little bit things that they need to know, and they are going to pay you to find those problems. Okay, so that is the only thing you need to do. And most of these websites are going to pay you via PayPal. For example, this website is going to pay you at least 100 credits. I don't mean that 100 credits for every task, but the 100 credits to request the payout. And I think one credit is about 10 cent. Yeah, it's 10 cent, and that means it's going to be about $10 to withdraw the payment. Okay, so you can, in this way, you can remove the, you can take your payment. And that is about this website. So now we are going to hop on to second website, that is usertest.io. So basically on this website you can simply come and join this website, and thereafter you just need to review the website on this website, and you will be get paid within 2 days. Okay, that's the faster than any other review site. So you are going to get paid $8 per review. You are not going to get, yeah, it's not dollar, it's euro. Okay, which is more than dollar. I think I don't know what's the price difference. Maybe it's going to be like 25 to 30% or something like that. Okay, so you are going to get paid $8 for every review, and submit a 5-minute sample review. So it is going to take just 5 minutes to get a $8 payment. So this is one of the best website. And also this website has been, for example, you are going to review the websites such as Amazon, Red Bull, because whenever they are going to launch some kind of new feature, they also want to test their website. So you don't have to worry, because this is also one of the legit website. Okay, and this is over here, these are the reviews from other guys. Okay, $10 per review, we pay up to x 2x more than the minimum wage for 20 minutes of work. Okay, so this is about this website, and this website is also going to pay you via PayPal. So that is all about this website. And if you want to know which countries are accepted to accept viewers from, you can simply find if your country is listed over here or not. Although it consists a lot of cities. Okay, yeah, it really consists a lot of cities. I'm sorry, it's countries. Okay, and what do I need to get started? You just need a PC Mac with an internet connection and a microphone. Most laptops have inbuilt microphones. You don't have to spend even a single a penny from your pocket. What gets recorded from my PC, what it's only going to record your entire screen, that is all. Okay, so the third website that I want to share with you is the user brain. Basically this website was testing in the previous days. This website was taking a lot of guys. Okay, so now they have just stopped for a little bit time, but they are also going to take the recruitment in the future as well. So this is also a website with on which you can register. It is the userbrain.net. Okay, so this website is the least payment website. This is going to pay $3 for between 5 to 15 minutes of a test. Okay, most website tests run between, I think, 8 to 10 minutes, as I found some kind of review from other people. Okay, so this is a third website. The fourth website that I want to share with you, everybody's aware about this. Okay, it's Amazon Mechanical Turk, and there's nothing like there's nothing to be scam. But actually, let me tell you, you are not going to get all of the work of of watching videos, reviewing websites, stuff like that. Yeah, you can find those work as well, but there are tons and tons of other easy work that you can do and make an extra income. And even people are making more than full-time income with Amazon Turk. Now I don't say that just leave your website full-time job for this. No, but make this an extra source of income. Okay, so later on you can invest that money wherever you want. So the next website that I want to share with you, this is the fifth website, and this is the IntelliZoom. And on this website you are going to get paid as you are going to share your experience about the product, website, or whatever it is, and it is going to take about 15 to 20 minutes. And this website is also going to pay you via PayPal. Wait guys, let me tell you one thing over here. whenever you are going to register on any website to make money by testing website, make sure you are going to register via the PayPal email ID. Okay, because most of the websites pay via the same ask for the same email ID, for the same email ID of the PayPal. Okay, so whenever you are going to register with the same email ID as you do have in your PayPal account. So this is all about this website. You can see that is all. Yeah, it's the student average takes test take an average between like 15 to $20. And look at this, for studies that record, you can expect $10 on average. For standard surveys, the payment is $5 on average. So the sixth website that I want to share with you is the analysia.com, and this website is going to go, like, get paid for surfing websites while telling us what you think. Okay, so this is about sharing your experience with the website, and they are going to pay between $10 to like 50 for $10 for 10 to 15 minutes. So that is going to be more than $30. It's going to be 40 to $40 or maybe $60 in some cases. Okay, and this is, you can find over here how much I get paid. $10 for each test, and they are going to pay you via PayPal. Okay, so that is about this website, analysia.com. And the next website in our list is utest.com. So on the utest, you can simply come on this website, and you can see over here like a lot of different kind of tests are available. Okay, not every test will be for you, but there are a lot of tests on which you need to review the website. You just need to see the website, share your experience, and boom, they are going to pay you for that. Okay, what happened actually? So what you can do on this website, you can simply just filter by country. Although the test will be done from the home, but there are some of the tests which are only available in certain countries. Okay, so you can also filter by that. And you can also filter by the device like Android or iOS, stuff like that. And most of you are going to kind of like, you are going to give the test on what kind of the website looks like. And there are also many other kind of tests available on this website. Okay, so not every test will be for you, but you are going to find like app chat testing, for example. You're going to find like this. Okay, so there are a lot of different kind of tests are available. You can simply give that test. Okay, you can find the test that is a kind of yours, and then you can simply apply for that. Okay, you can simply join this website by clicking over here. So the next website that I want to share with you is the eighth website. Okay, and is the startuplift.com. And on this website, you are going to get you will be given a website URL, and you are going to visit to the website, and then you need to complete the certain task, and thereafter you just need to share your thoughts. You need to provide anything you think that it is useful or not. Okay, for example, you are going to go to the website, and you think that this is an ugly website. I don't even know what to do here. So then in that case, you can tell them that that is the issue, and then you will be paid. Okay, and they are going to pay you $5 for every feedback accepted. And as you can see over here, please register here if you haven't, and use a valid PayPal email address during registration. So as I already said, always register with the PayPal email address. So this is about all about this website. And so we are going to hop on to the next website, that is the enrollapp.com. You might be aware of this website, and this is also kind of same. You can also see like what kind of the test do they want. Okay, are they going to take? By clicking over here, you can check out their sample test as well. So the next website that I want to share with you is the is what it is. Yeah, it's the userfill.com. And on this website, you can simply come over here and can click on the become a tester, and thereafter you will be get paid. Generally guys, most of the websites do have kind of the same payment, and about $10-20 for 15-20 minutes, stuff like that. And they all are going to pay you via PayPal. Okay, so if they are going to pay via PayPal, and they are already trusted website, then you don't need to worry. Look at this, each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes, and you are going to earn $10 per test. So now I want to share with you the last website, last but not least, and that is the usertesting.com. Everybody is aware about this website, and this is also one of the most popular website when it comes to user testing, making money with the testing, stuff like that. So you can simply come over here, click on get paid to test, and maybe not every website is going to give you the work every single day. So what you can actually do, you can simply just come over here and can join all of these websites, all of these 11 websites. So you are going to look at this website is not going to look at this. Today is 11 Feb, and This website has stopped taking the new entries from February 10. Okay, probably they will be start taking again, but you need to remember one thing. You can register on 10 other websites. Okay, those 10 are the one you are not going to find the work every single day. But what you can actually do, you can simply just you can simply just like you can if you are going to register with the 10 websites. Okay, so one is not taking as one is not accepting now. Okay, so you are going to go with the 10 websites, and even if you are going to get just 3 tests, you are going to get 3 tests in a month from every website. So that means on an average you are getting one test every single day. And even if you are going to make just $10 for every test you are going to get, that's an extra $300. And then you can simply invest that money by buying a book, or maybe taking some courses, stuff like that. All depends on you. You want to save it, you want to spend that, you want to party with that, whatever that's whole of your choice. So that is it about this video, and be sure to hit the subscribe button, because you are not going to get, otherwise you are not going to get any making money online videos. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. And if you want to make at least $100, then check out the first link in the description for 100% free training.